Welcome, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Group Policy Management tool on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. The installation process is the same for both versions, so no need to worry about any differences. I'll guide you through both the manual method using the Settings app and the automatic method using PowerShell for a more streamlined process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to manage group policy on your machine easily. Let's get started.
Break apart. Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn.
And that's it. You've now successfully installed the Group Policy Management tool on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. Whether you prefer the manual method through the Settings app or the automatic PowerShell script, both methods will have you up and running in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.